Guys, what's up? Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Are we NFP ready? Are we NFP ready? NFP is about to be crazy, guys. NFP is about to be crazy. It's about to be crazy. What's up, Collins? He was waiting for me. My bad. I had to stop out this morning because of gold. I sold and it bought. You sold gold this morning. What? Why would you sell gold? Gold has been bullish. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really get FOMO. I don't get FOMO. But I was suffering from FOMO today. What's up, Adelaide? What's up, Paul? What's up? Gold is super bullish, yo. Super bullish. In fact, the FOMO I got from gold, yeah? FOMO I got from gold because I closed too early. It's ridiculous, I'm not gonna lie. So first of all, let me move that over there. We had this lovely pattern right here. I got FOMO, man. I got bad FOMO. I'm not gonna lie. If you saw where I got out, if you saw where I got out, I'll tell you in a second. But yeah, this pattern right here, this whole pattern, I was very confident in gold buys today. Very, very confident in gold buys. You get a strong bullish candle, weak bearish candle, followed by a strong bullish candle. Like, beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I'm gonna show you. Like, I'm gonna show you, because you know, look right here. See this? Oh, look, you see this? Oh my goodness. I'm just so, I love the way it looks. Isn't that like this right here? Even like this one. It's like this one. It's more like this one. Mwah. Perfect pattern. Perfect. Perfect. We get a strong push up, weak bearish candle, another strong push up. That's what I was anticipating. Now, I don't trade Asian session, but when the daily closed like this yesterday, I was like, I'm gonna take this move. And if you were with me yesterday morning London session, I had a 4-hour fib. I think I had it starting down here, but you know, starting from the bottom of the move, strong push up. Look where price came back to. So I think I initially said I was looking at 4243 for a retest. 4243, yeah, 4243 for the retest. But the 23 was actually down here, like when I redrew it. Then the way the daily closed, you know, we closed right above. We tapped the 23, didn't break it. Daily candle, we pushed, we held. This 2 o'clock candle, the Asian session second 4-hour candle, is where I got into a trade. I was up very late yesterday, later than usual, very late. And yeah, so I got into a trade, and I closed right here, like very close to, like, I woke up this morning and I closed the trade literally around the zero. I got out on like this push, went back to sleep, and then saw just gold ripping ripping. So this is why I'm getting FOMO, because I should have held or tried to hold until the -27, but I don't even hold for this long. So with that said, we have NFP in 40 minutes. We have a 1-hour candle right here with no bottom wick. We don't have much of a daily bottom wick, but you know, the pattern played out well. That's fine. I would like a bit of a retracement to then continue up. Man, look at this. We just started breaking. Just gone. I don't want to see this on the lower time frames. So yeah, my target for today is 4365 is the first target, and I mean, if gold is really about to go crazy, 4455. I don't know if it gets there today though. We've already had quite a run today. 1000 pip daily candle so far. Yeah, I don't know if it gets all the way up there. I want to take it off the minutes. Boom. Alright, so we've got a couple candles without bottom wicks as well. So 4184, this is from Wednesday, no bottom wick there. But yeah. So for NFP, what's up, John? Dr. John in the house. More buying to the moon. Yes, 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 yes. I think we yeah, man. We keep going. We keep going. I just need some structure now. I need some structure. You know what would be good? If like the next candle closes bearish. If NFP, the next 1 hour candle closes bearish, then say like it opens here, for example. The next candle's bearish, I'll draw a fib on like this for this leg up. If NFP causes the pullback, you know, then I'll be looking at any of these retracement levels for the bounce. But I'd have to wait until 2 o'clock for that candle to see if we do drop. But I think we're bullish. I think we're bullish. Benny, what's up, my guy? Gold went crazy again, man. Gold went crazy. Rosie, what's up, girl? What's up? What's up? So yeah, just need to pull back, then I can get in on a little something. How's everyone's morning been though? Anyone take any trades today? Apart from Collins, poor Collins. Let me... No wick right here. Okay, so NFP. What am I anticipating is going to happen for NFP? So the numbers, 85k. $85k. Now, yes, still holding your buys, but I've taken partial on BE. Nice one, nice one, nice one. So if NFP comes out below 85k, like last month. So last month was a huge miss. Huge miss. 114k. It came out at 57. That's why gold went crazy. That's why gold went crazy. Strong push up. 750 pip candle. $75 push for gold price for NFP, right? Last month. If we miss again, I don't know if we miss by like 50k. It seems a bit extreme. But if we miss, then we're gonna see more gold buys. If it comes out close to 85, I think we get a whipsaw. I think we swing up and down. If we come out above 85k, it depends on how far above 85k, I think we get a drop. Not even a big drop, maybe just a pullback. So that's it. That's my thoughts for NFP today. Yeah, so that's going to be one to watch out for. Now, we are very close to daily resistance. Very, very, very close to daily resistance right here. This 4331 is a very, very significant level. It was a previous higher low point. All the way back here, all the way back in January. So we had the, the move up, and it was also a lower high where we made a new low from. So a very significant level here. So we could either, I can see gold holding, but I can see gold also pushing through. So it's gonna be a very interesting day, man. Said gold pushing up crazily. It is. More buys? Okay. So you're saying bad numbers and gold goes off. I mean, like I said, my target, first target is 4365 and then 4455. But it's a 4-hour fib, so this might take a while. This might take a couple days. So yeah, man, this gonna be good. So I'm gonna wait until you said put it on the chart. Put what on the chart? You see gold pushing through 4331. Hey, it could do. It could do. The NFP outcomes. Alright, bet. Right, so NFP 85k. So if it comes out below, gold buys stays same, or what's that sign that's equals to? Comes out I'm gonna leave it the same. Above, gold sells. This is what I think for NFP. Does this? Alright, so yeah, this is what I think how NFP might play out. This my thoughts. Happy NFP day. But what a move up, man. Price typically ranges before NFP, so I'm very surprised at how far gold has pushed. Ooh. Remember what I was saying about this 1 hour time frame? If this 1 hour closes bearish, then I'm gonna put a fib on from the start of the day to the pullback. So I'll do the giveaway after NFP. I'll use good old Nightbot. Dum 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 dum. Oh, look at this move. What a move. What a daily candle. Crazy work, crazy work. EJ's pushing. In fact, let's check DXY. DXY. Obviously coming down. Just based off the DXY, I'm anticipating some more gold buyers. I think I might do. Let's do this. Very excited for NFP. Bring my cup. Like, as much as I want buys for gold, I want a little pullback first though, man. Maybe this candle was the pullback, that's it. Maybe. Close that. Could be a 2000 pip daily candle day. We saying another 1000 pips? Another 1000 pips? Could be. Did Roger Casino's open today? I did see him streaming. Roger is a funny guy. Roger is a funny guy. Let me see. Ooh. Let's see what Roger's doing. He likes his buy stops and sell stops. He likes buy stops and sell stops for news. He's a wild boy, that one. Ooh, are we getting a pullback now? All right, so we've come back for this bottom wick already. Perfect. All right, I can remove that now. Do you use an M30 fib? I guess so. Don't see why not. I do prefer a fib on the 1 hour though. I do like a I do like a 1 hour fib. So you draw it on like the most like recent leg up. We're at the 23 now, but the way this candle's looking, I think it drops back a bit further, to be honest. But it would be great if it did drop first and then we got buys up. I don't really want to buy at the highs. I want to buy as we start pushing back up. But it depends on those numbers. Depends on those numbers. Please make me understand it is going down if I see. Yeah, it's going down now. Doesn't mean it's bearish. Yeah, the candles are bearish right now. But gold is very bullish. So don't take every red candle meaning sell, sell, sell. I like to trade with the trend. I've got to trade with the trend. Look, if you've got a bullish trend, yeah? You've got a bullish trend. Where's the best place to take your buys? Do you want to take your buys here at this point where it's already at the high? No. You want to wait for price to come back down. You want price to drop a bit first and then get in around here as it starts pushing back up. It's not just going to keep going up, 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 up. So that's one place to get in as it's going back up. Or if you have a high point, which would be here, and then this candle closes above the high for a breakout, then you get in here. But you don't get in at this point. You wait for price to drop, then come up. You understand? On MT5 is 2 or more. What time frame are you looking at? What time frame are you looking at? Everyone is going to have the same candles depending on the time frame you're looking at. Yo, Pizzle. What, go on? What are you telling me, my guy? What's good? What's good? Or it's going up now. Yeah, look, you have to be patient. Not every red candle means sells, bro. You have to be patient. Be patient. You're probably on a lower time frame, so everything looks very dramatic. Yeah, I can tell. I can tell. I can tell. I can tell. Just chilling in the park, taking in some Forex trading. Oh, do you know what? After this, I'm gonna go for a walk, catch a little sun. Yeah, I need to be outside. Then I'm gonna take a nap because I've had, according to my watch, I've had less than 3 hours sleep. I know I've had less than 3 hours sleep, which is mental for me. So I'm tired. Hold on. Yo, Fluidity, you're good? You still holding your buys? I know you're holding your buys. I know you're holding them. Come on, how you know the thing? No real pullback since the start of the day. How about NFP fueling the pullback? Do you know what? That would be great. He said, you know me so well. Yeah, man. I would love for NFP to give us a pullback. I would love it. Absolutely love it. So I said that at the beginning of the stream. If this 1 hour candle closes, this current candle closes bearish, then I'm gonna have a fib on the 1 hour, you know, because then this candle would be the start of the pullback. So then I'm looking for it to pull back to any of these levels and then bounce back up. That's my plan, guys. That's my plan. And in order for gold to drop, NFP, the numbers need to come out above 85k. Not even just that, so unemployment rate too and average hourly earnings matter. If this comes out higher than expected, higher earnings mean higher inflation. That's another factor. Hold on, I'm gonna have to close this window. Hold on. Yeah, so higher wages, I would think. Also, gold would be bearish if this number comes out higher too. And the unemployment rate, if the unemployment rate comes out, if it all comes out high, we're going to see gold drop. Basically. Evan, how are you? What's good? So yeah, but the 1 hour needs to close bearish for this fib to obviously to be valid. Hold on, let me go close this window because someone's drilling up outside. Can you explain the average hourly earning? It just means how much people are making. So if this number is high, people are making more money, basically. People are earning more money from their jobs, higher wages, higher income. So if they're getting a higher income, people spend more money when they're earning more money, right? You spend more, inflation stays high or goes up. Unemployment rate, obviously that's, you know, the rate of unemployment. If unemployment is higher, yeah, less people are in jobs. It's not a good thing. So it's all of these things put together. That's why this news is so high impact. It's a massive picture of the economy, how well the economy is doing. Give me one sec. Shut this damn window. Go. Ali, what's up, Ali? I'm lost. Why are they not the same as mine? Well, what time frame are you looking at for one? What time frame are you looking at? So my chart looks crazy right now. I don't want to hide indicators. Wait, indicator. I'm gonna leave that one. No, I am gonna hide it. It's making my chart look busy. NFP news: buy gold now at 4314. Then I advise everyone to trade what you know, okay? Trade what you know. I shouldn't even have read that out because that's not my advice. That's not my advice. Me, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the news to drop. I'm really in two minds about what gold is gonna do. But I was just looking at, there was no news today. Obviously, I'm just expecting more buys. You said, but I'm sure. You can be sure, that's fine. That's fine. You can be sure. I love the confidence. I do. Average of 4 to 5 years. What? How long you been trading? Okay. It's gonna pump to 4,400, just like I said yesterday. Good stuff. Hey, I'm waiting for my entry. I'm waiting. I do want some gold buys. I'm waiting patiently. If I was holding my trade that I got in at, like, down here, I think I would still close, you know? I would still close. Oh, you're watching gold on the 5-minute time frame. Well, yeah, that's why our charts look different. I don't watch the 5-minute time frame. I like my sanity. Honestly. Not sanity. What? For real. I ain't playing. Trading on the 5-minute time frame is, yeah, it's a bit dangerous for me. It's a bit wild. Your buy limit of 4314 has triggered. Hey, I do like my sanity. We watching this 5-minute time frame, yeah? Your heart probably jumps every time these candles move. Look at this. Your heart is jumping here. Big jump, and then it drops, and then your heart stops, and then it's this is your heartbeat. No thanks. No thanks. Let me just watch my 30-minute time frame, yeah? And have a nice resting heartbeat. Seven minutes to go. Do you know what? I was watching a trader last night. I was watching someone that trades Asian session. And what time was it? Yeah, it was around here. He was looking for sells. It was very late. What time was it? I'm telling you, I was up very late yesterday. It was ridiculous. Yeah, so this candle had closed. That's it. You had a range here. You had a resistance here, a support here or down here. And this candle had closed back in a range. I think that was a 15-minute continuation. Yeah. This candle, this was a big drop. This was quite a big drop. Look, 130 pips. Bam. So he wanted sells. He took two sell positions. Right here. One, like as the candle was pushing up, and then another one when it got to the high. And I was like, I didn't want to go in his chat and be like, this thing is gonna buy. I didn't want to go in his chat. I was already in a buy. I kept quiet. I didn't even see how his trade ended because I fell asleep. But this, I'm not trading against the trend. Definitely not. But I mean, at this point, look, 4 hour, beautiful structure, crazy push up, broke the 4 hour high. Yeah, man, the sells were not looking great. All right, guys, are we ready? News in 5. And you know why I wouldn't take a trade before this news? I wouldn't get in right before this news, because if it does go down and it goes down quickly, your stop loss is probably going to get slipped. Your stop loss is likely to get slipped. Mike, that's a premium price buy, man. Listen, what's up, Mike? What's the plan? Look at this. DXY pushing up. Gold coming. Ooh. What's up, yay? Am I the only one who generally prefers a bearish gold market to a bullish one? These buys have just not been it for me. I follow the trend, so you know what I mean? If gold is bearish, I'm trading them sells as much as I can. Last month, I was not taking no buys. Last month, every move up, I was waiting for the sells back down. Literally, all of this area, this whole area, even here, maybe even from June. Yeah, from June, I was looking at sells. We had the move up. I'm looking for the sells back down the whole time. But my bias has now changed. Look, we've made a low. We're pushing up. We've broken the last lower high. We're potentially transitioning to an uptrend. We're transitioning to an uptrend now. So, you know, I'm following the trend. Following the trend. In order for it to be a confirmed uptrend, obviously it needs to, you know, this is what gold is, this is what's happened on gold. Boom, boom. And now we've closed above this last high point here. So to confirm that price is bullish, I need to see this. You get me? That makes sense? I hope so. Good. Good. Two minutes to NFP. I just wish we went at like this key level here. What are you thinking, Mike? Are we going up some more? Look, last NFP. Hopefully the market has already factored in the news. Oh, you want a bit of a pullback, Mike? So this is the last time NFP was. Look at this. Look at this. This is last month NFP. $75, nearly $76. Well, let me get back. We're nearly there. 1 minute to go. Now you're gonna see the spread start getting wider. I'm gonna keep this box open because this gives us the news a bit quicker than Forex Factory does. Forex Factory is a little bit slow. We're still dropping, still dropping. I think it might reach 440. Damn. Hey, what's up, Sky? This is why you don't take a entry before the news. Damn. Woo. Shit. Oh. Gold is gone. Blasted through. Beautiful. Shit. Alright, so for the numbers, if we got, what are the numbers? Damn, they're bad numbers. They are super bad. Minus 23k. Oh, gold is gone. Gold is gone. Ooh. Oh, this is bad. This is so bad. This is so bad. There you go. The numbers come up below 85k. Gold buys. Damn, we out of here. Out of here. Wowzers. Taking more partials. Good stuff. Look at that move. It. You know what's annoying? This was all the pullback that we got. Bam. Now we got a bottom wick to look forward to next week. Alright, so what was the... Wait, damn, how do I find my fib again? I lost the fib. Shit. Yo, I lost the fib. I took the fib off every time frame. Oh shit. I'm gonna have to draw it back. How do you lose a fib? I forgot what the first target was. 4365, right? The first target was 43. There we go. 4365 with a minus 27. Boom. Beautiful, beautiful. Next target 4456. That's the next target. That's a big push though. That's a real big push. And that's why I hate this bullish period. I just can't seem to catch the buys. I mean, what's your strategy? TP hit. Well done, Paul. Well done. Let's see what Raja did. Did he catch it? Oh. This guy. He got in too early. Madness. Madness. Beautiful though, man. Beautiful. Well done. Well done if you were in the buys already. You took the buys. We were waiting for a little pullback. Did it respect the 23? Oh, look, it dipped a little bit more. Look at this though. So I wasn't sure about this 30-minute fib. I really wasn't sure. But man, I should have kept this on. Look, we whipped down to the 50, 68. Closed on the 38. Pushed right up. Damn. You said DXY to the hell? Damn. Yeah, that was looking super bearish as well, wasn't it? It was looking bearish enough for gold to keep pushing. So the fib levels hitting. Oh yeah, big time, big time. Oh wow, the way that news swept the low before the burst, some poor people got burnt there, I bet. Yep, yep. %, they did. All right, so first fib, well, 4-hour fib target is this 4365. Next one on the 4-hour up here. Man, does it get there today? I don't know. I'm not gonna lie though, I'm crying that I got out so early this morning. I'm crying. Jeez. You're in a swing since 4072. Man, you have hands of steel. That is yeah, that's a nice move, Mike. I don't know how you can hold for so long. Honestly. 4072. I'd be a zombie. Actually, it's not even that crazy. It's what, since Wednesday? Yeah. I need sleep, man. I need sleep. I need sleep. I don't think I'd sleep good if I had a gold trade running. Where's my notes? Oh yeah, there we go. So yeah, bad numbers. We came out below, way below. This is insane. Minus, you know. Yeah, this is not good for USD. Therefore, we had a crazy goal push. Where was your buy entry earlier? I got in 4-2. Hold on, let me go to my broker. I had a couple of entries. Oh, this is a different account. Today. So I had one entry at 4234.53. Yeah, because it was after this candle came down. I was looking for like a retest or a bottom wick for this candle, and this was off the 23 as well. So as this candle started to push up, I got in here, and this candle didn't have a top wick too. So that was entry 1, and then the second entry is 4254.64. So yeah, after this drop, and this candle started to push up, I got in again. And I'm not gonna lie, I fell asleep. And I feel like gold knew. I felt my brain knew that I was in a gold trade, and it woke me up. And I woke up like, you know, when you're sleeping, I woke up like this. And I said, shit. And I checked my phone, and I was in profits. And I literally closed in my sleep. I woke up, closed, and I was like, yeah. And then I got up not long after that, and yeah, gold kept on going. Troy, what's up? Yeah, but this, I'm not gonna lie, I feel sick. I got out all the way down here. I missed out on 700 pips. But I ain't mad. What I do like though is the fact that this fib level hit. Like, this was my main thing. But guys, I don't hold trades for long, guys. I don't hold trades for long enough. It was nice entries, but it was based off the fib, so I should have exited off the fib. Do you know what I mean? I should have exited off the fib. Like, this would have been my TP right now. I would have been laughing. And that's just something I have to put in my journal now. You missed out on 700 pips. Gave us a nice little pullback. What's up, Ash? What's good though, man? What's good? And Sky, what's goody? Did anyone take this? I hope someone took it. That second M30 hit 2. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Oh, the M30 fib? You know what? I'm not even gonna cry about that. I'm not even gonna cry about that, because it happened very fast. Look, do you know what? I'll be honest with you. I'm not used to drawing fibs on the 30-minute. I'm not used to drawing fibs on the 30. I like fibs on the 1 hour, and then using the 30-minute like for entries. I'm not used to drawing a 30-minute fib. Maybe I need to, because you're right. That M30 fib, it hit. This dropped down though. This was a crazy little drop before the news. Look, retested 4,300 before it spiked up. Closed on the 38. Yeah, for real. You did get the money. Good job, good job. Hey, these fib levels are hitting. These fib levels are hitting. Troy, you said it finally worked for you. What worked for you? Trying to be very ambitious, hoping we crack 45 and start the pullback. Wait, are you talking about 4,500? Are you talking about 4,500? Fluidity. That's very ambitious. No, this is nice, man. This is real nice. This daily continuation pattern here. This is why I didn't sleep at night. This is why I didn't sleep at night. That, and I knew I was going to be trading NY. Like, I was going to be streaming NY. So I was like, I can have a lie-in during London. DXY finally picked a direction. Hopefully we get cleaner trades next week. I think, look, now we've broken 43. If we close above 433, 132, yeah, man, I think we're fully at the beginning of gold buys. I would love a little bit of a dip before it continues up. Ooh, look, Nas had a nice move. Damn, that's a couple hundred pips. I don't think anything moved quite like gold did though. This was how big was this move? 600 pips in 14 minutes, 15 minutes. Last NFP candle, remember, that was 750 pips, $75. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. Oh, you have very little internet service tonight due to a bad storm. Couldn't get shit to connect. It blew your Starlink off the roof. Oh man, isn't it? It's supposed to be nice weather in Australia. This is why. It's the one thing I like about the UK. We get two types of weather: cold and rainy. And for 2 months it's hot, but the rest of the time it's cold and wet. that's it. We don't get we rarely get storms. We don't get tornadoes, hurricanes, none of that. We just get rain and heavy rain. Light rain. That's it. Fruit salad here 24/7. Oh nah, man. Alright, can we get a bit of a pullback then? Get a pullback so we can get in. New 15-minute candle. Is it going to keep going? A bit of a retracement. Structure on the 30-minute. I'll take that as well. Nah, I could have had an amazing day. I'm not going to lie. This would have been 1,500. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to start calculating pips I didn't make. This is definitely one for the books though. Definitely one for the books. I was talking to someone yesterday about fibs as well, like higher time frame fibs, and expecting it to play out longer because it's a higher time frame fib. Not me not taking my own advice. Wild. But who did catch the move? Who caught it? Who caught some? Apart from the people that's already in, you guys are raking it in right now. You took a little buy. Nice one. I said pure gambling. What? I want to see what Roger did, because I think he took 2 trades. Hold on, let me look. Is that his trade? What time is that? Or you put a buy stop up there. You don't want to see. This guy's so funny, man. Chat is disabled. I don't even want the chat. How do I get rid of it?
Knees weak. Arms are not heavy because I got biceps.
This is such a mad strategy, man.
Still my palm this ready. Still, it still does happen. Oh man, the spread is gonna increase.
Order filled.
Oh shit. Okay, great.
Position
Close
closed.
this right there.
It hit his sell stop.
Wow, before the news. Man. Before the news. Big gap is coming. What happened?
Order
Okay,
filled.
jumped. Oh my god, look at that slippage.
Whoa,
Position closed.
Yo, did you guys see that?
Okay. Okay.
You
Nice.
see why I don't use buy stops?
This is nice.
Did you see that? I don't know if you guys saw that. No, wait, look. See where his entry is, yeah? See where he put his entry? That entry is at 4318. 4318 is where he put his entry.
Order filled.
Ooh, whoa.
You see where it put him in? That put him in at 43330. 433.
Position
That's
closed.
120 pip slippage.
Okay. Nice.
Alright. That's why I don't do that. That's why I don't do that. That is why. That is why I don't do buy stops and sell stops. If he wasn't quick, yeah. If he didn't catch that sell stop, see how quick price moved? His sell stop got activated, and the buy stop too, and it got slipped. Wow, that was cool to see. I've been a victim of it, but didn't see it like that. Yeah, it's dangerous. Only for news though. For news, it's so dangerous, man. He won though. He won. They were both winning trades. It's just the slippage was crazy. Luckily, price went straight up without coming back down first. He said I posted my every time I get to the end. I post my idea in Discord. Alright, Mike, let's see. I'm gonna check it out. Let's go. New York session. I wait the DXY in the box. It happened to me on the open, blew my shit out the water. Yeah, man. So how it works, I don't know if you guys understand how it actually works, why that stuff happens. So you place your order wherever you want to get in, and then obviously when price gets to your order, it should enter you into a trade. But if price moves so fast, if price moves so quick, then your broker just enters you into the closest price possible, and that's how you get slipped. That's what slippage is. NFP news, I would never. So you said you wait the DXY in the box. Okay, so you want the DXY to come down here to 9E8492. So 98. Oh, that's low. What time frame is this? Why doesn't it show your time frame? It's the daily. The daily time frame. Okay. All right. So you want it to come back down to this daily support? Yeah. I got you. I had to put my my bear mic hat on. So what time frame would he be looking at? Almost reaching the target, but if DXY keeps falling towards the box, we'll likely hit 4440. Okay, this area here. Okay, cool. Yeah, man, we're moving nicely. Love it. Good shit, man. Good shit. All right, so yeah, what am I waiting for? I'm just waiting for a little dip now. Just give me a little drop and shit. Sorry, guys. All right, might as well do the should we do the giveaway now while we wait? All right, so alright, so I'm gonna get you guys to type something. Mickey, I told you it's gonna be a buy. Yeah, I also said it right here. Look, it's a buy right here. Are you still in, Collins? You still in? You still in? Gold's been a buy since yesterday. Gold's been a buy since yesterday. Gold's been a buy since, not even yesterday. Gold's been a buy since, when's gold been a buy since? Goddamn. Since Monday. Literally, since Monday. Next target 4440, 44. What's up, Spliff? be back Monday night latest. Oh my days. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. 4,400. Yeah, man. I want a little bit higher, to be honest, Collins. I want a little bit higher. It's hit my first level, so I won't even mind the pullback around here, to be fair. Alright, so type. Alright, type join in the chat to be in the giveaway. Let me pin it. Why did that start over? Let's go. Congrats again for the 1,000 subs. Thanks, Ash. You know the grind. You know the grind. Oh shit, it still says London session. You don't even tell me. That's wild. You guys didn't even tell me. You said big chop. That's so funny. You lot. Stop pointing out my Englishness, Ash. You know how English I am. Thanks, Sky. Congrats for the 1,000 sub. Next is 10,000. Damn. Damn. Alright, so nah, man, thanks to you guys, man. Appreciate you lot. You lot keep me company while I'm trading, you know? Love that we all share ideas and stuff. Hold on, this thing is not Where's Haroon, you lazy lot? That still cracks me up. Hold on, missing messages. Yeah, Haroon is very let's do that. Let's try that. You said don't get Hollywood. Me? Nah, man, never, 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 never. Never, never, never. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. Giveaway to active chatters, keyword. You know what, this thing, yeah, it's being so particular. Give me a sec. Let me find out it's case sensitive. That's wild. No, it's not case sensitive. Eightfold divergence in a daily zone at that. I wonder if we will get a pullback. What a bullish week. I would love a pullback. Bear with me, guys. You know, I believe that 2026 to 2028 is going to be bullish season for altcoins and trading as a whole. You think for 2 years? Unique winners. Are we getting a pullback though? This shit ain't working. Let me try something else. Hold on. But yeah, everyone that's joined will be in there. Yeah, I actually practiced this before and now it's not working. Ain't that something? Ain't that something? Let me see if it's just loading names. Oof, nice pullback though from that minus 27. It literally just worked and then it didn't. That's cheeky. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, let's try this. Who was I talking to about the 15-minute, like giving fake outs? Euros, 23. Alright, I'm gonna let that load. I'm gonna try something else too. Perfect. YouTube live stream link. Ooh, we're pulling back. We're dropping. Not a bad thing. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Okay, that doesn't want to work. Why? How far do we think we're pulling back? YouTube buddy. Let's try this one. They're making me sign up and shit. Asian highs too low. Where's Asia highs? That's a good. Oh hell yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit too. It's a little bit too low. Scan. This is doing it from comments. 4318 is unmitigated volume. Maybe that's too far. Do you know what? We don't have a bottom wick on this 30-minute candle. So even if price came back down and came for a bottom wick, it wouldn't even be too bad. This is still over 1,000 pips, this daily candle. It's still a huge candle. I can't believe my nightbot's packed up on me. What a traitor. What a traitor. And it actually worked. But it didn't put everyone's name in it. It only put 4. You know what I can do? Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? Alright, yeah, it might be the long way. Bum, bum. Alright, let's try that. Thanks, Mickey. Have a good weekend. It's enough for me. Alright, Mike. Have a good one. Sorry, bear with me, guys. I don't know why this thing ain't working, man. It's a joke. If I show you, it's just loading. It's just loading. Sweet Licks, I was thinking about Asian lows. Oh, you want some sells. But is that based off your 4-hour fib? Not 4-hour fib. It's based off your divergence. Hello? Those buys up were nice though. Yeah, this thing don't want to work. You know what, guys? I will sort it out. I will do a little short. I'll do a YouTube short. I'll go through the chat, write everyone's name down who said join, and then make sure you're in the Discord. Look out for the short. Look out for the short. I'll put it in the I'll put it in the Discord, the link, and then just message me and then we'll arrange a time. Because this thing right here, look, I'm gonna show you how easy this thing is supposed to be, and it was working earlier. Look, keyword, look, this is even blacked out. This is how crazy it's gone. Look, next, viewers, I could do everyone, but those viewers, join, done. And it was giving me a list of 2 people. That's it. See, nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. But nah, I got you guys. Just, yeah, look out. I'll do it. I'll put everyone's names in. It'll be nice and fair. I'll show it. Spinning, picking the person, and then we'll get that set up. I'm thinking about that Raja trade. Crazy man. Listen, he's so lucky. He's very lucky. Because I've seen him lose 50k. Live doing that same shit. It's based on hateful divergence, and a weekly fib just hit between that sell area that I like, so I want to feel wick out of that area. Hey. I need to watch that video again. Did it put him in sells or buys? It put him in both. You got put in both. You got put in the buys and the sells. Yeah. He what happened was he had a right before this candle here. The candle was pushing down. He had a sell here. He had, like, before this, you know, this candle just dropped like crazy. Say he had a sell stop there, and then he had a buy stop here. So when this candle dropped, it entered him in. He closed it, bam, profit real quick, and then he took this off. He took that off, and then was he on a 15? Yeah, he was using a 15 because I remember he got in. So then he set another buy stop here. Yeah, it was at 4318. So he just set a buy stop. That's it. And that shit entered him in. That's where he set his buy stop, and it entered him in up here. 4330. So he got slipped 120 pips. Got in and he got out very quickly. So he closed in profit both trades, but very lucky. Very lucky. I just saved you having to scroll through that video. But yeah, it happened very, very quick, very quick. The NFP move was quick. Man, who you telling? Who you telling? You closed yours at 4350. Good shit, Collins, man. Good shit. Well done. Happy 1001 subscribers. It's actually 1010. But thank you. If you haven't joined, still type join in the chat and I'll still enter you in. And I'll do a video picking a winner because this shit ain't working. I'll still enter you in, guys. Nah, it's a nice little pullback, innit? I wonder if Carl put the... Oh no, if you already entered, I got you. But it will but yeah, if you haven't, then yeah, obviously. Join in. You gotta make sure you're subscribed and in the Discord. In fact, I'll put a post up as well. But I'll get it done by the end of today. Oh yeah, what a retracement. What's up? Laser B baby. Yeah, when you called, it made the whole stream ring and shit, you know, so I had to just bloop real quick. I know you understand. Big Sherlock in the house, right? What a move though, man. What an NFP move. Do you reckon we retrace this move? Yeah, it's live. Ellie in the house. Your goal's going to 5,000. You're wild. He said, yeah, I reckon. You too? Oh, shit. Funny, yo. You reckon it's gonna retrace? As in go up or come back down? He said allow it. Monthly candle has been open 1 week and has went crazy. Yo, it has been 1 week. Do you know why? Because this monthly candle, it started off as a Leo. Yeah, it started off as a Leo. That's why. Look at this shit. It's a Leo monthly candle start. Big Leo energy. Word. Facts. It's just on a bull run. It's on a lion run. Funny. I like that on a lion run. You would like that. You would like that. you know what though? If I get a continuation pattern here on the 30-minute, I'm not gonna lie, I'm thinking about getting into some buys, you know. I like this little dip that it's having. I like this little drop. I don't know if it comes all the way down though. I don't know. Let me slap this back on. We got, do you know what? I feel like putting a little tick here because this is what happened right here. Boom. That's cute. Look, we got no bottom wick on this candle, so if we retrace, not gonna lie, this is as far as I want it to go. I want gold buys to continue for the rest of the day. Yeah. Not people calling me cute for streaming on YouTube. Cute, you know. Oh, how cute. That's wild. Put some respect on my name. 420 next. That's what I'm talking about, Collins. Let's go. No, I like it. I like it. I want to see. I don't know if it pulls back here or further, but yeah, drop and then come back up. So wait, Ash, you don't think we're gonna get more buys today? You want like a big retracement, then maybe some buys up? Maybe. Yeah, Colin, I reckon we'll take that volume line out. 4218, 42220-ish, 50% of range pre-NFP. 422, you want us to come all the way back down? Anything is possible, but I could see sales down, giving us a nice weekly wick. This weekly candle is just huge. How big is this weekly candle? 3,500 pips, $350. Yeah, man, it's been a week. It's been a week. Most of this move has just been Wednesday and today. 4,320. That's more like it. That's more like it. Jeez, I like that. I like that. Okay, cool. 4,320. Yeah, I can work with that. I can work with that. I can't believe how big the weekly wick is. I caught buys the other night at 4,065. Listen, there's been Fridays where I'm like, I could have just hit buy on Monday and then just left it. Weekly candle, my bad. Yeah. Like, this is one of those Fridays where, you know what I mean? If I just said, all right, Monday, we're bullish. Hit a buy on Monday after it made the low and then just held. But, man, it's not in my character. It's not in my character to do that. It would never happen. Nah. The day I do that, you could call me Bear Mickey, like Bear Mike, because he can hold. He could hold. You said same? Nah. One day though, man. One day. He said facts. One day, one day. I wouldn't even mind. I don't think I would mind being not a swing trader, but holding over days. I think I would just have to really plan for it. I would have to really plan for it. When I hold too long, gold comes back to my entry to show me why I shouldn't have held. That too. Gold loves a retrace. Gold loves to pull back and be like, why was you being greedy? That's how it feels. It feels like holding too long is me being greedy. You've been holding SPCX and etc. for 2 weeks now? Wow, that's impressive. That's impressive. Diamond hands. You got diamond hands. That's nice. That's nice. That's real nice. Diamond hands, I haven't heard that in a long time. Yeah, because people don't have diamond hands like that no more. You can't have diamond hands when you got a president that's making the market go crazy. ETC reached its lowest low since its launch and I bought the dip. Oh, nice. Oh, continuation pattern, guys. Potential entry. Potential. Getting in, buying slowly. Is it going to give me a push or is it going to drop? It's going to drop. All right. Market open. Give me that continuation. No. I want to see it push up. I want to see it continue. This is a very it's a decent retracement, but I think gold stays bullish. I want to see a little something like this. I believe it's going to be something like this, maybe. You know? Yeah, like this one. But it needs to push up, break this high. If it doesn't, then if we don't break the high, then obviously we may be creating a little resistance to come back down. You don't think it will come back for that M30 wick today? I'm not sure, because I mean last NFP it took a while, didn't it? Last NFP, look, 4064. This was, yeah, see, look at July. When did it come back? It didn't come back down until Wednesday. So maybe we just get some nonsense. Look, imagine if it does the exact same thing it did last month. Look, this is our NFP candle, this is our 2 o'clock candle, which pretty much looks like the 2 o'clock candle now, and then boom, we continue up. Like, look at this, nearly 2 continuation patterns after NFP back to back. I mean, they say the market repeats itself. That would be a bit mad though. It would be a bit mad. That NFP M5 candle was crazy. Yes, it was. Oh, no, we're going down. Never mind. But yeah, if it doesn't break the high, then obviously it's not valid anyway, you know? Yeah, we could. And you saw some signs of divergence. So if you're seeing the signs of a reversal, then yeah. How was the weekly candle that week? Oh, that's a good question. Let's go look. Let's have a look. See. It's the 2nd of July, so it was bullish. Yeah, it was bullish. It was like this. It broke the low and pushed up. Close of a little top wick. A little bitty top wick. It wants to trap sellers and gather liquidity. This shit is gonna smash 4,400 for sure today. Okay. I really don't like sells against a strong trend. But I also believe we need to have a pullback after this strong move, so I'm not opposed to that. Wait for correction or pull back to the OB. The order block and enter buyers is clean. Where's the order block and what time frame? But yeah, I mean, I hope that works out for you for real. Yeah, I won't say sells for sure, but I'm interested in how price moves and closes out the week. Yeah, me too. I definitely want to see how this week closes. Is that it? We got no more news today. Not even. Yeah, this is good. No more news. I do like this continuation pattern though, man. I do like it. I like it. It just reminded me of last month. And we break the highs and keep going is the question. Say go, guys, buy now. What, are you out, Collins, or are you still holding? You said your TP got hit, right? 4350? Yeah, go on. I think it's gonna give us that push. You said sells? Yo, where we going, Collins? Where we going? What's the fucking fly? Benny said, I barely take my own signals. I know that's right. I know that's right. Ooh, can we break this high? Give us a little pop. See, look, if you stuck with your buys, Collins, you might have been right. Yeah, and it opened a limit sell. You put a sell limit on up here. Damn, bro. Damn. Not gonna lie. I think gold is gonna push, you know. This is that type of continuation pattern I like. Never ever take shorts on the current trade. If the candle closes inside the engulfing candlestick, then it's tracing that latest FBG. But if it closes above with its body, guys, pump your buys. Not gonna lie, I don't know what none of that means, but I like the pump your buys part. Guys, just dropping entries with no clear exit plan. It's like that. It's like that. But yo, I always say, regardless of what people say in the chat, trade what you know. Miss Gold Pippin says it too. Trade what's familiar to you. Trade what's familiar. If you follow someone blindly without knowing the exact strategy, just like you said, Adelakan, no clear exit plan, you're gambling. Look. Yes, you know that's my line. Trade was familiar to you. Oh yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. But guys, look, feel free to drop your suggestions in the chat. Feel free, you know what I mean? Suggestions, they're definitely welcome. But as far as telling people what to do, I ain't listening to no one, I'll be honest. I'm listening, but I ain't following. Well, I love the ideas, and I love the different perspectives, of course, of course. I didn't want to say this on live, but before your lives, I've never seen a fib till you. I'm listening, but I'm not listening. That's it. Sell at 4370, TP at 4355. You're wild. 15-minute already gave the first leg of the bullish continuation. I'm waiting for the current 15 to close above the highest to add another buy entry. I hear you, but I'm not implementing. Sometimes I just don't even understand. Like, I don't do the SMC ICT stuff. To me, it's like, it's literally a whole other language. It's a whole other language. And learning how to trade with certain indicators and just the jargon already is already difficult. It's already something brand new. So when I hear words I don't know, it's like, one time I put someone's message in ChatGPT and I was like, make this easier for me, please. Break this down like you're explaining to a 5-year-old. Add pictures. Add pictures in nice colors. It's pretty wild to learn someone's way, see another and another, yet all take the same price for the some common goal. It's mad. It is. It is. It is. Oh, oh, oh. Now, if this candle doesn't close bullish, then yeah, that continuation pattern's kind of done for me. Gold used all her muscles in that push. Very slow show now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I just want to see how this candle closes, and then I'm gonna call it. Go catch some sun. I'm so tired. I'm actually so tired. Have I even yawned once on the stream? Normally, when I'm not tired, I'm yawning. That's the mad part. And I'm never... I slept for 2 hours and 53 minutes today. 2 hours and 53 minutes. Less than 3 hours sleep. Mental. Weird to hear. It's 10 p.m. and 6 degrees. Hot coffee in bed. Do you know what? I can't drink coffee before I go to sleep. And do you know what? It doesn't even... It sort of keeps my mind... Like, I can sleep through the coffee, but it's like a very light sleep. You think gold's done enough today? ADHD brain? Oh yeah, you're cooked. You're cooked. ADHD and coffee? Oh man. Is that even allowed? Is that allowed? That can't be recommended. They work opposite. Oh yeah? Because I thought coffee was a stimulant. Like if I'm super tired, I can have a coffee and I just feel a little bit more awake mentally. Now look, this 4-hour candle, this is what I'm watching for. One thing with this pattern is, you know, when the second candle doesn't break the high, it kind of reduces the probability of the pattern playing out. But it breaking this high, it's kind of, the move is kind of played out for me already, I'll be honest with you. This 4-hour now, respecting the high, like we've had a strong push up, we didn't break it. I like the sells a bit more now. I do like the sells just a little bit more. We'll see how this candle closes. See how this 1-hour candle closes. But I wouldn't mind alright, let me get rid of that. So that worked out. Let me get rid of this fib. What's that? I still have a level all the way up here, but yeah, I think we get a decent pullback. And because it's a 4-hour level, I don't expect it all to play out in one day. I reckon, you know, a couple 4-hour candles. So maybe next week. Maybe another 1-hour continuation pattern. ADHD meds are clinical speed. They're supposed to make you like super focused, right? I play a game with someone that has ADHD, and he used to say, "Oh, I'm just waiting for my meds to kick in," and I used to be like, "What's?" He's like, "I'm waiting for this pill to kick in." I'm like, "What's he on?" He was on Adderall. I said, "What does that do for you?" And he'd be like, "It makes me focus." I was like, "Okay, cool. I get that." I was just like, you just sounded crazy. You just kept saying, "Yeah, I'm gonna pop this pill and wait for this pill to kick in." I'm like, oh, he's about to ruin my game. He's about to ruin this game. Nah, but it made him lock in. Daily zone. Yes, Ash, yes. It is in a daily zone right here. Oh, I deleted that. I was wondering what I deleted. I did have a daily resistance right here. Too much line on the chart. That's what was there. I thought it was a fib. Yes. We've got these daily top wicks. Previous daily top wicks in this area. My main thing is this 4 hours not breaking this high. You know, we've had 2 opportunities to push up and we haven't, so but then this 30 minutes broken the high, very far from the low. Pretty organic. I suffer it all, no gear for me. Damn. I know. I think the states in America, they like to push the drugs, innit? They make a lot of money. Big pharma. I like that disclaimer, Troy. I'm not scam or spam. I'm a real person. I'm a real boy. I told Troy you're real good with the fibs, Ash. You know what I mean? Alright, 5 minutes. How are we closing? Preferably with a decent. If we're gonna get the sells, I would hope that this candle body is strong, like a decent bearish body. Thanks for always speaking good of my name, Mickey. Yeah, come on. Come on. Back. Let's look at the alternative 4-hour time frame. The same one. There we go. Go on, give us a bit of a drop. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, it's not a bad idea, you know, pushing out of this area, but it would be, I don't really want gold to close below 4331. I mean, if it happens, it happens, but I would like it to close above this area. Oh yeah, we're dropping now. You know, for more buys next week, or maybe next week we get the push up out this area, like through. Oh yeah, we're going down. First stop, bottom wick, 400 pips away. Oh, it seems so far. it seems far. Oh, we dropping. Drop for me, Cole. Not stripper drop. Where do you come up with this stuff? Too much Joe Budden. Yeah. I can see that. I can see that. I need some food. That's what I need. Are we gonna break this 30-minute low? Look at this. This is all happening in the last 5 minutes of this candle. Look at this 5-minute right here. Oh, nice continuation pattern there too. Come on, gold. You were so close to breaking that 30-minute low. What happened? So close. You broke the high, but not the low. Go on, make a decision. Where we going? Going down. Go on, break these lows. Yeah, if the 1 hour can break the low, if you can break the 1 hour low, that would be nice for some sales. It would be real nice. 38. So what's your, you said Asian lows, Ash, didn't you, for the sales? That's a move and a half. That's a move and a half. I don't know if it gets that low though. I don't know if it gets that low. I like 43.10, and then I actually like Asian highs. I like Asian highs for a retracement, and then a bounce back up. So like a drop. Yeah, so even like down here, like this area, something like that, and it disappeared. Nice. I like a retrace down here, wick, and then push up. From next week, is it London or NY? It's gonna be London. It's gonna be London. I'd like the weekly to close under Asian highs. Oh man, it's gonna be London, but I'm gonna be I'll trade NY session for CPI for sure. Yeah. CPI, I'm gonna be, I'll trade NY for CPI, definitely. I do love CPI. I do. Alright, we're breaking lows. But yeah, I need to get some food. Guys, appreciate you all, man. Appreciate you all. It's my time. It's my time. So yeah, I'm gonna go through the chat. I'm gonna find something that does a random name picker for the giveaway, and I will post it. I'll post a short on YouTube, and I'll post it in a Discord and pick the winner out, and then we'll arrange something. So make sure you're in the Discord. Obviously you should be following me on YouTube, otherwise I don't know how you're gonna see that you won. And then we'll get that session booked. So yeah guys, I will see you next week, but I will be keeping an eye on gold, of course, for the rest of the day. I want to see how this daily closes, daily, weekly closes, if we can retrace some more of this move right here. Yeah. In fact, you know what, I'm gonna draw a little quick, I'm gonna draw a cheeky fib on, a cheeky fib. Yeah, look, maybe a 50% retracement of the day before we bounce up to back down here. I like that. He said, I told you it's to sell, my account is on fire. Oh, did it hit 43.70? It did. Yeah, no, good shit, Collins, good shit. You're killing it, man, killing it this week. Well done, man, well done. Well done. But yeah guys, thank you, and see you shortly. Peace out, peace out. Leave a like on the way out too. Thank you. Later.